Alright guys, so on this video I'm going to show you a little bit about us building a coolant reservoir. That's going to go in this area here. So got a little bit of time-lapse stuff we'll put into this video and some other stuff, but basically got some material cut here. I'm kind of envisioning something that's going to sit around here. I'll cut a cardboard template out, place this here. It's going to kind of be a dual purpose coolant fill point and swirl pot from these Wiggins connections here at the front of the car. So that's basically going to de-aerate the coolant before it enters the radiator. So it's Friday the 19th. Tig's chilling. We're here listening to some Do It for a Living, and we're gonna keep cranking on this thing. We're at deadline right there, Tig. That's right.